Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you can't hear calls unless it is on speakerphone on your iPhone. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information or step. And without further ado, let's get on it. So, first fix that I'm going to show you is to just restart your iPhone. So the steps here is based on whatever device that you are using. So if you're using an iPhone 8, SE211A, and a newer version of an iPhone, you just need to go ahead and follow these instructions. And if you're using iPhone 7 series, just follow this one. And for iPhone 6 and iPhone SE1 phones, just follow this one. So you just go ahead, you can just go ahead, pause this video and follow the steps, or you just follow through while I guide you through this tutorial. So first, just press and release the volume up button. So on this picture right here, you have your guide, so where those corresponding buttons are. So after that, just press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button. So as soon as the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the button. And for the iPhone 7 series, just press and hold the volume down and power button together. And as when the Apple logo appears, release the both buttons. And as for the iPhone 6 and iPhone SE1, press and hold the power as well as the home button and release the buttons as and when the Apple logo is released. That's it for the first fix. The second fix is to check if the Era iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device. So now if you have someone that uses a number of Bluetooth devices such as Apple AirPods or any Bluetooth speaker, it is simply possible that you wouldn't hear the caller's voice from the earpiece of the iPhone. So because the sound from the other end is probably going to the connected device, so always check and ensure that you don't have any Bluetooth devices connected while you might be making or taking calls. So depending on the type of iPhone, you have to swipe down from the top right corner or swipe up from the bottom to launch the control center. So here's the control center right here, as you can see in the photos, and now just simply tap on the Bluetooth icon. So right here to switch it off. Always ensure that Bluetooth is off before you take or make calls. And then next is to change the accessibility settings. So if the issue is due to a software bug, or if you're able to hear the caller but a very low volume, then also you can follow this fix right here. So first, you just need to open your settings app on your iPhone and now go to the accessibility. So it will be available in general in the older version of iOS. So just scroll down in a bit to open the audio or visual and just turn off the phone noise cancellation. And then another setting you need to change in the accessibility is to turn on the hearing aid compatibility under the hearing devices. So you can just go ahead and do that. So these settings can help you with the high volume during calls, and even if you can't hear the caller on your iPhone. It says yes, no longer need to enable the loudspeaker. So while some of these settings might place in different locations based on the iOS version, so make sure to search for the final settings that you need to enable or disable. And then next is to clean the earpiece. So now, the earpiece is a very delicate part of your device and is prone to dust and small particles getting lodged into it. So, when there is too much dirt or dust, you will fail to hear any audio from it. So, always check and clean the delicate area with a soft and dry cloth. You can use a small and soft toothbrush to brush away any type of dirt or dust or dirt. So, best results, blowing a little air on it will also help to clear away any dirt or grime. And then lastly, what you can do is to check if the device is stuck in headphone mode. So now if you are someone that uses a wired or wireless pair of earphones, it could be possible that your iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. In order to fix this, you can either restart your mobile device or simply connect and then disconnect your headphones. And even after performing this task, you will still cannot take your iPhone out of its headphone. You will have to visit the service center and get your device checked. And if you have an iPhone with a 3.5 mm headphone jack, cleaning it with soft bud might also work. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.